Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather here across the ArkLaTex for the next week and a half, and still looks like smooth sailing here for the next several days. Today, a very nice day for the beginning of December. You can see lots of sunshine. The temperature in Shreveport has reached 70. You can see elsewhere we're mainly in the middle 60s, and a few more locations likely will hit 70 before it's all said and done. Some cooler air is going to begin to move into the region as we have another area of high pressure that's going to build southeastward and result in another cold night tonight under a clear sky. Lots of sunshine again tomorrow, but cooler temperatures will be in place with this high very close to us tomorrow. We'll see this high retreat to the east for the rest of the work week, and that's going to allow warmer air to gradually return. It's also going to allow a little bit more moisture to work its way northward from the Gulf of Mexico, which will eventually lead to our next chance for some thunderstorms. In the meantime, next few days look pretty nice. As we look at Robin's Cellular Futurecast, you can see a mostly clear sky tonight as temperatures will likely return to the 30s. It will be quite a bit cooler tomorrow with lots of sunshine. We'll struggle to make it into the 60s in Shreveport. Today we have made it into the lower 70s, so about 10 degrees cooler tomorrow. As we go through tomorrow night, we will stay mostly clear as temperatures again should be pretty close to normal. And then Thursday, we begin another warming trend as the wind increases out of the south. Expect lots of sunshine once again Thursday. And then we'll start to see the clouds increase a bit Thursday night thanks to that southerly wind. Longer range version of Futurecast shows those clouds increasing during the latter stages of Thursday night. Friday likely will be mostly cloudy. Now Futurecast doesn't show much as far as rain, but other models do show a little bit will be possible, but most of us will stay dry Friday. As we go through Friday night, we stay mostly cloudy. Notice a little bit of rain off to our north. And again, also notice a cold front, which is situated right about in here as we go into Saturday morning. This front is going to move its way through the ArkLaTex during the morning hours Saturday and bring us a possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Unfortunately, the long-range version of Futurecast doesn't quite go out far enough just yet. But nonetheless, Storm Prediction Center does show that we still have a slight severe weather risk pretty much all across the ArkLaTex. Now, it does appear as if the risk probably will be highest, especially over the eastern sections of the ArkLaTex where the storms arrive a bit later in the afternoon. Again, during the morning, the atmosphere tends to be a little bit more stable. We'll still have a chance for some strong to severe storms, but they might be more numerous later in the day when it's a bit warmer over parts of especially north central and northeastern Louisiana and perhaps south and southeastern Arkansas. All severe weather threats will be possible Saturday, including the chance for a few tornadoes. Also looking at the damaging wind and the hail that often accompanies those strong storms. Now, the model blend continues to trend downward as far as rainfall potential, and I think these numbers do reflect the strengthening nature of the storms as they move east during the day. Where they arrive sooner, they won't be as strong, so rainfall totals, Idabel, Mount Pleasant, not as high. Where they arrive later, they'll be a bit stronger, and as a result, likely will drop a little bit more rain. But generally speaking, around a half an inch, we could see totals approach an inch over the eastern half of the area where those storms again will be stronger. So your forecast for tonight is looking mostly clear. Another cold night as we'll see lows close to freezing over the northern half of the area. That includes 33 degrees tonight in Texarkana, 30 in DeQueen, 39 degrees for the low temperature in Shreveport. Tomorrow a bit cooler as we'll see lots of sunshine with daytime highs staying in the 50s over the northern half of the area. Will be in the upper 50s to low 60s further to the south. 61 in Natchitoches, 61 in Shreveport, 58 degrees for the high temperature in Texarkana. 10-day forecast shows that chance for the thunderstorms Friday night, Saturday, especially Saturday morning. Next week looks pretty dry for the most part as it will be cooler as well. After close to 70 Friday and Saturday, we'll retreat to the 50s and low 60s for highs next week. Lows will fall back into the 30s and lower 40s. Most of next week looking dry. We could see a little bit of a chance of rain next Thursday night. So again, smooth sailing here weather-wise across the ArkLaTex for the rest of the work week, but the weekend likely will begin with a chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms Saturday morning.